my gosh, all the snow is going on.
I said I really feel your love, I need it right now. The sweetest feeling got me stuck, you get the right amount. Together we can take over the 7 seas. I could be a perfect lover, you could be my destiny. I said I really feel your love, I need it right now. The sweetest feeling got me stuck, you get it right amount. Ain't gotta worry about a thing with you and me. I could be a perfect lover, you could be my destiny.
What's up, TV family? It's your boy Tajay.
And your girl Des.
And we are back with another video.
Guys, not a great video for us because, as you guys know, we are in Canada and there's a massive snowstorm, okay? You guys, I don't know if you guys ever seen snow or if you want to see snow, because I know some of you don't have snow. You have the blessing of not having snow. And we're about to show you what's going on and just kind of what we have to do in order to get rid of it. And this is on whenever it snows, this is what we have to do. So we just wanted to show you guys.
Day in the life.
We have to do this
It's
shit.
a day in the life of a Canadian.
Of a Canadian. So if you want to move to Canada, just rethink this.
Nah, I'm not even Canadian, I'm a yard man.
This is what we're dealing with right now. This is disgusting. This is actually disgusting. Today's just getting the snow plow. Oh my gosh, all the snow is going over. Are we gonna do a snow angel? Guys, we're gonna make a snow angel before we shovel. Because we haven't really got a lot of snow all year. So now's the perfect time. And Tajay's been saying he wants to do it, so we're about to do it. Well, you know we're gonna get soaked, right? Yeah, before we shovel, the snow's gonna be gone. Or you wanna do it after?
Yeah, we'll do it after.
Okay, guys. If you guys wanna move to Canada, you gotta buy one of these. And shoot, you know, we don't have any salt. What?
The wire is bent.
Why?
I don't know. How am I supposed to... Wait. Ah! Ha ha ha!
We don't have any salt.
Alright, wait. Let me try this.
It's gonna come right in my face.
Alright, guys. Right here.
It's a ghetto snowblower.
Machine.
It's not a good one.
Machine. Alright, we're about to... Wait, let me turn this.
Where's the wire?
Yeah.
You have it pointing right at me, you know?
Alright. Let's see. What do I do with that? How do I do this? This button.
Guys, he doesn't even know how to operate it. He doesn't even know how to operate it. Look. This button.
Oh.
Do not move to Canada. Don't do it. It's not worth it.
You know what we need? We need the electric ones of these.
Yeah, like the guy over there has it. We don't have a good one, so it takes us forever to do this. Those of you in Florida, those of you in South Africa, those of you in wherever it's hot, I'm jealous right now because this is what we're dealing with.
Wait, why am I just...
You have to press the button and then pull it. That's not normal, man.
Okay, watch out.
Huh? Are you trying to break up the thing?
Alright, let's
Oh
move.
my gosh. Today I was broke the thing that's helping us clear up the driveway, guys. We'll be out here for hours.
Please, look at that.
It's clean.
Look at that.
Oh, look how much we have left.
It's the string. Not the string, the wire. Other than that, this is weird. I think you should just do that side while I do over here. Because then I gotta go back and do this side. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this is not pleasant, man. It's not. You know what I need right now? I need to be in like a Florida. You know what I mean? Or like where else? Where else is warm? I need to be in like Cuba or like a Mexico or like Jamaica. That's where I need to be right now. I should dip on the island right now. You know what I mean? Like I shouldn't even be dealing with snow on an island, boy. Real island. Watch out. Move that wire, please. Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna be out here for. Hold on, I can't breathe. We're probably gonna be out here for a while, probably like another hour and a half. So we're not gonna keep you guys, but when we're done, we'll show you the finished product. Maybe we'll go one snowflake. Jay,
Huh?
you have it going right on me. You know what you're doing.
What?
You know what you're doing. Alright guys, we'll be back. Pray for us.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, we finished, but it looks like we did nothing. Because it's still snowing. You guys can see.
Show them the wickedness we live in.
Huh?
Show them the wickedness we live in.
Yeah guys, you want to move to Canada? Think about it first. But we can make a snow angel on the bright side, which is what we're about to do right now. Wait for me. You go. Stop! You go here and I'll go here. Ready?
Yeah.
Seriously? You're so rude.
Watch out.
I can't even make mine now because I'm not in properly, man.
I'm a bucket.
Stop it, man. Jay,
Huh?
did you stop?
What you want to do? Huh? What you want to do? Go.
Could you stop being unfair?
Let's go.
Guys, this is messed up, man. I'm trying to do something nice and you just push me in the snow. I'm done. It's only fair that I get to push you. It's only fair. Seriously? Help me up.
Not how things work. Screw you.
This is messed up. No, you're not fair.
I am fair.
Look at
Well,
you.
T&D, that is the life. Yeah, that's Sean. That is the life of what are you doing?
Let's just talk to the TND fan real quick.
So talk to them.
That's the life, huh?
That's the life of living in Canada.
Yeah, guys.
Alright. Peace. Peace out, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.